Welcome G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 3-28A, the Boiler Regulator Base for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-28A, the Boiler Regulator Base for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Open up template MMGS. Okay, let's start. Top plane, normal to circle. Oh, that'll do. That's the radius of. Okay, that dimension is going to be 32. 32. Sketch out. Oh, zoom out, sorry. Oh, I don't quite want that far out. There we go. That's better. And that's going to be a thickness of 5. So, let's do 5. It doesn't matter about me playing this one. I'm just going to keep it as ground. That one's there. This is made from brass. Let's put brass on there. There we go. Now this piece has got 4 holes in it. So let's go to normal 2. Sketch. Let's do a circle first. That's going to be construction line, and that is 24. 24. Beautiful. That's going to be 4 holes of 4 mil. So if I go to, if I do one center line from there to there. I put 1 there. I can do a center line each one, put 1, 2, 3, 4. That works out perfectly the same anyway. Works out. But let's do this way. Linear. 4. Done. Feature. Extrude cut. Through all and done. There we go. That is done for now. We want fillet. Put that 5. I don't know how much I need. Definitely not 5. 1. That looks better. Maybe 0.5. Yeah, 0.5. There we go. This little bit of curve on that. That's that section done of that part. Now we want to go to sketch, circle. And that is going to be dimension. That's going to be 9.5 by 2, which should be 19. Beautiful. Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, dimensions aren't quite clear on that one. I'm looking at one above and it seemed to match that one. Actually, you know what? It doesn't. Looks a little bit small. So let's go 18. I'll show you why in a minute too. 18. There we go. That's going to be chamfered there too. So that's the other reason I was looking at that. That's going to be a height of 8. So feature extrude 8 and done. Fillet. That one. Yep, actually looks good. And done. There we go. Looks good. Now we want top of this one. Let's go to normal 2, sketch, and that's going to be a cube-ish size. So we want square. Oop. There we go. That's going to be 26 by 26. So 26 by 26. That covers the holes up almost. Yep, that's looking good. That's going to be a height of 32. That's what I said, cubish. 32 and done. There we go. Looking good. Let me just put that one there. Done. That was done then. Okay, so now we want, let's go top one here, sketch, normal 2 then sketch, sorry. And that's going to be, we want 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, these are going to be equals. Let's equal these now. That way I ain't got to do one measurement. They're all going to be equal. Beautiful. And that's going to be a size of 3. 3. There we go. And that's going to be, we're going further. Let me put those 2 as vertical. Boop. At the circumference big, that's why I couldn't have vertical. Vertical. Horizontal. Horizontal. And vertical. Now we want smart dimension. It's going to be what, 9.5 from center to that one. Oop. 9.5. It's going to be the same. 9.5. Missed. There we go. 9.5 and 9.5. There you go. So the hole's going to be 10 deep. So go feature, extrude, 10, and done. There we go. Those ones are done. Now, what was that? That was. So if we go to chamfer, that one, that one, that one, and that one, which is going to be 13 minus 9.5. Perfect. Yep, that's why, because it's going to be centrally there. Perfect. And done. Let me just check that. Yep. Lines up. Perfect. That's that one done. We do have a hole going down. That's going to go all the way. Ooh, no, it doesn't go all the way through. Let's do hole this side, because this one goes all the way through. The one up top is actually bigger. So it goes like small hole, bigger hole. Which is going to be 11. So let me sketch that one. It's going to be smart dimension. 11. Feature, extrude cut. I'm going to go through all. Go through all. There we go. Beautiful. Now we're going to do the other hole up top here. Could have gone part way, then part way down and that, but this one works for me. You do what works for yourself. Within reason. Oops, circle. Come on, circle. Thank you. Okay, width of that one is 18. 18. And that's going to go feature, extrude. That's going to go 11. Hold on. Oh, sorry, 27. 27. There you go, that's better. I said 11's not much. There we go. See? And you could also have done that hole down there, then done this one up to that point there. So either way works. So that's that hole done. Now we want one side. Let's just pick any side because it's all the same. Sketch. Actually, hold on. Yeah, that will do. We got a hole there. It's going to be 20. So that's going to be 20. 20. Oh, yep, goes past. That's good. Now from that center point to here, I believe it is. Yes, it is. It's going to be 13. And just make sure this center. Oh. That one to that one. Oh, I'll cancel smart dimension somehow. The heck? I won't pick that. That's not what I want. Why pick that? What is that? Pick there. Okay, let me just cancel that again. Let's try it again. Pick that one. Do that one. No, that's not what I want. That edge. There we go. 13. Beautiful. I don't know why that's so hard. That's going to go in by 3. So feature, extrude cut, 3. And done. There we go. So yep, so you got a little bit nibbed out there. That's fine. That's gone in, beautiful. Okay, so now let's do normal on that one. Sketch. And that hole goes all the way through by looks. Yes, it does. Well, next hole, this one. So touch on the corner of that, and that's going to be 12. It doesn't go all the way through. It goes all the way through into the center hole. Sorry, not all the way through the whole thing. Like, it doesn't go this part. This goes this section here. So now we want feature, extrude, up to next, which is perfect. There you go. That's what we want. Okay, so now, yeah, that is it. Oh, well. Thought we had some more to do. That's cool. Wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. So that's part 3-28A, Boiler Regular Base for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Thank you for everyone that has, and leaving comments. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.